the technology at Lightcast is the most compelling technology that I've ever been involved with. It's literally mesmerizing. I'm Paul Loeffen. I'm the CEO of Lightcast Discovery. So my background was actually in founding or getting involved in companies at a very early stage and helping them to develop products and grow. The foundational technology of Lightcast is actually from a company called Base4 Innovation, which was an early stage company based in Cambridge. I got involved in 2020 when the technology for Lightcast was spun out of Base4 and was at the proof of concept stage, and there was very few people involved.
When we were starting off, we actually were looking to develop technology for handling very, very small droplets in a completely different application in DNA sequencing. We had a really challenging assay to run, and it needed droplets that were much smaller than anything else that had been handled in the field before. What we ended up doing was trying lots of different approaches to that droplet handling problem. Some of the devices literally blew up in our hands. It was pretty exciting. What we did actually was found a fix for that. We found an improvement to that category of device and made it work for that particular application, but realized that we had something pretty exciting in our hands in terms of how it could scale up rather than down. It could work with many, many more droplets.
What we do is we encapsulate single cells into picoliter droplets, and we overcome the random content distribution in droplets, so-called Poisson distribution, so that each droplet has one cell and exactly one cell, and then we can move those around and choreograph them with hundreds of thousands of individual points of light and create these pristine arrays of single cells in droplets. We can individually and independently move those droplets around and merge those droplets to create assays. All the while, those droplets remain continuously addressable so that we can essentially look back at all of the assays that have happened on the platform for each and every droplet.
So what we did when we realized we had this incredibly cool piece of tech was we went showing it to people who might be interested in using it in all kinds of different fields actually. But one where we had an immediate massive hit was whenever we showed it to someone who was interested in single cell assays, particularly for early stage drug discovery. They were incredibly enthused and were showing us all kinds of really advanced applications they can do with it. So we realized we had a hit on our hands there and set off to set up the company and get going with the technology development.
Lightcast is based on the West Campus of the University of Cambridge in the UK, where Cambridge is one of the largest and most vibrant life science hubs and clusters in Europe. So not only are we a stone's throw from one of the largest and top universities in the world, we're surrounded by great science, incredible innovative companies and fantastic people. So this has really helped us create a marvellous environment for Lightcast with the people that we have and build a fantastic team.
In terms of our upcoming innovations in microfluidic space, very exciting phase coming up where we're going to let more of the machines and the consumables out into the hands of customers, and we know already that they're going to think of new ways, innovative ways to use it and to challenge the platform. So we've got a huge opportunity there to actually look at that customer feedback, look at those real customer use cases, and then turn those into enabling innovations in the microfluidic platform.